In Japan, the demand for off-road vehicles, including compact ones, is stable. It is not for nothing that the Mitsubishi Pajero is sold in the domestic market as many as 4 modifications. Big Pajero and his younger brother, Pajero Pinin, in Japan, I0, are also known in Russia. But the kids, Junior and Mini, were not officially delivered abroad. Among lovers of right-handed, especially ladies and young people, Junior, on most JR nameplates, is quite popular. Pajero Mini is almost never in demand. It has a very small working volume, 0.7 L, and engine power, and the price is relatively high. Outwardly, the Junior is the spitting image of the Pajero of the late 1990s, only 2 times less. This was produced from 1995 to 2002, only with a 3-door body and a gasoline engine, single shaft, but 16-valve. Gearboxes, mechanical or, more often, 3-stage hydro-mechanical automatic. Formally, the car is a 4-seater. It is really convenient only for 2, and even then not very large ones. The rear seats can be called childish. The width of the sofa is 90 centimeters, and with the front seats pushed back, there is almost no legroom. At the same time, sitting behind the wheel, one involuntarily wonders, the narrow interior, 1,100 millimeters from the armrest to the armrest of the front doors, is not so cramped. The adjustment of the front seats is quite enough for a person over 180 centimeters tall, however, slender. Junior is equipped according to the Japanese minimum. A set of electrical amenities, windows, mirrors, central locking, controlled from a button on the key, as well as power steering, air conditioning, driver's airbag and ABS are standard equipment. For a car of this class is quite enough. It is pleasant to drive a short, brisk, with visibility like from an aquarium. Despite the small volume of the engine, for the city, Junior is quite dynamic, and the most popular version of the ZR2, with automatic, also allows you not to worry about gear shifting. Despite its diminutiveness, the Junior is a real all-terrain vehicle. Ground clearance is 205 millimeters, wheels are 15-inch, all-wheel drive and a reduced gearbox range are all like in adults. Junior easily climbs hills and crawls along virgin snow, where an ordinary car passes. A relatively inexpensive youth all-wheel drive allows you to get the most out of driving with a minimum of driving skills. But for the role of the only in the family, the universal car, Junior, of course, does not pull.